anyari sa Miami Heat. Sa simula ng season, 1-4 sila. And yung 1 win na yan is muntik pa. And we're going to look what happened kontra Brooklyn Nets. Natalo sila 109-105. The Heat were sloppy, too many turnovers, pero nabubuhay sila ng kanilang big three with Tyler Hero, Jimmy Butler, and Bam Adebayo. Sa scoring ni Hero, nakakapundar sila ng big lead. And ito yung gusto ko sanang makita, more on Adebayo. Be a force in the post. Bibihira na yan ngayon, so sana he will dominate. And sa third quarter, Jimmy Butler doing his usual on scoring, but they let Ben Simmons control this game with his playmaking. Sa end game, Heat na yung naghahabol, craving to take the ball game. And good thing for them na healthy na si Tyler Hero kasi bukod kay Butler, meron ng isang nagke-create for himself. Pero on defense, lagi siyang inaatake ng Nets. They just couldn't convert kasi nag-e-effort naman talaga si Hero to play defense. But Ben Simmons, 2-minute chances ang binibigay. A lot of clutch rebounds for him. Good recognition from Mikal Bridges na yung tao ni Finney Smith ay si Kyle Lowry. With that, madali lang mablow by to have a 4-point lead. And I don't know why Bam Adebayo is manning a guy from the half court. Di wala silang rim protection kung saan, ayun na nga, Mikal Bridges goes all the way. GG. Wala na talagang bench power yung Heat compare last year. They have guys na merong puputok sa mga magic bunot. Punta naman tayo sa Bucks. Not the usual for Damian Lillard, kaya hindi sila mananalo ng ganyan lang. Meron siyang 15 points and 6 assists, shooting 1 out of 4 sa 3-point distance. Giannis with 16 points, 5 out of 11 from the field. Yung offense nila is okay naman, pero paulit-ulit lang talaga. Lalo kapag hawak ni Lillard, they will just let him operate sa mga horn sets. Swerte kung ma-open yung libre yung teammates, tapos mahihit yung tira turning into an assist. Pero it takes away yung original game ng Bucks, which is finding sweet spots. Tsaka yung transition game nila is medyo nag-iba. Mostly kapag transition, nag-aangat na agad kay Lillard and it takes away their fun. And of course, yung ultimate sacrifice na ginawa ng Bucks is mawala ang kanilang defense, especially in the perimeter. Konti lang yung clips na to, mga made baskets lang. So eto, hindi sila nag-communicate ni Giannis. Actually, paraw silang mali on this one. Hindi sila nag-usap kung sino yung kukuha kay Barnes, which led to Pascal Siakam open for a 3-point shot. Dito naman, we know they will not do a full effort on this. Oo, mismatch siya. Pero sana man lang push niya outside of the paint. I don't want to compare sana, pero I saw Steph giving full effort on defense, not like this. Leaving an open man sa paint. He could also foul him or pag nakakuha ng bola, earn the 2 points from the line. Sorry Bucks fans, pero ito yung sacrifice na ginawa. On this one, syempre, star player ako. Magja-jogging lang kahit ando na si OG running the floor. And lastly, he will just attack by guards on one-on-one situation. Kung binigyan sana ng maraming ganito si Schroeder kanina, kinain niya na ng whole game. Pero tinatago kasi siya ng Bucks. Nilalagay sa man in the corner para mawala sa mga sets. Raptors 130, Bucks 111. That's all for this video. I will now step back. Bye-bye.